Yes, good morning, students. How are you? Yes, yes, my dear students, can you tell me when you go from home to the school on the way, what do you observe? On the way, what do you observe? Yes, when you start moving from the home to the school, on the way, you see many animals. You see dog, cow on the way. Plants, you see too many plants. Near Rishikul Bird Academy, you have seen too many plants, greenery, greenery everywhere. So you enjoy beauty of the life, that is green plants. Yes, very good. Green plants and cow, buffalo, these all are living creatures. You know very well, the earlier we have studied what are living, what are non-living. So you know these ki plants are living things and animals are also living things and human beings are living things. है ना? So you can say an organism is a living thing. Organism can be large, बड़ा भी हो सकता है बेटा, and can be very small. How it is very much big? Big means you can see elephant. Elephant is very much big. Yes, and small creature you can see very much small creatures which you can't see with the help of these naked eyes. Even beta, in your hands, too many very much small organisms you can say are there in our hands which we can't see with the naked eyes. If you want to see those creatures, those organisms, you need microscope. As you can see, page number 107, there is one microscope, and in the microscope, as you are watching, it has been shown bacteria. It means bacteria, there are too many bacteria in soil, you can say in air. Even these bacteria are very much useful to us, useful to our body also. And these bacteria, we can't see them with these naked eyes. Then you will ask from me, beta, कि if we can't see with these naked eyes, then how we can see them? With the help of microscope. This microscope magnify the very small object which we can't see with the naked eyes. Magnify means enlarge the pic of that. Enlarge कर देता है, big कर देता है ना बेटा? So what do you mean by environment? You can say environment consists of all living things, air, water, soil, whatever things are nearby to us, that all consist of environment. And plants and animals and human beings, these all are organisms and are living things. Yes, in this pic, what boy is showing to us, this boy is saying, I see so many creatures here. What a variety of big and small living things. He is showing to us, ki see here in this pic, too many big elephant, giraffe, and small animals are also there. Okay. Yes, next page, page number 108. What do you mean by population? When beta there live too many organisms of the same kind that live together at the same time in a particular place, that is known as population. The number of organisms in a population decide the population, whether the population is small or whether the population is big. It depends upon the number of organisms. If the number of organisms in a population are small, then we say that is very much less population is there. If the number of organisms in a population are more, then we will say large population, है ना? Population do not live alone. They share, if you see in a jungle, they share giraffe and deer. You can see even birds also live, है ना?